Determine the required leg sizes and cut the leg channels to required lengths. The top of legs should extend 3 inches from walking surface, 2 to 3 inches for platforms, 3 to 4 inches for ramp sections. Cut the bottom of leg channel, opposite side of the slot. Do not cut through slot on leg channel. Attach the foot plate to the bottom of the leg channel using 2 1/4 inch 14 by 1 inch drilling screws. Install leg to ramp/platform using 3-inch universal brackets, 3/8 inch 16 by 1 1/2 bolts, and 3/8 inch 16 serrated flange nuts. Slide the universal bracket assembly into the ramp/platform channel and attach leg to universal bracket assembly using 3/8 inch 16 serrated flange nuts. Handrails use 3-inch universal brackets with 3/8 inch 16 by 1/4 inch bolts. Handrails are joined using plastic straight connectors and elbows. Handrails use 2.5 inch universal brackets with 3/8 inch 16 by 2.5 inch bolts. Handrails are joined using through bolts for straight connections and corner brackets for corner connections. The new vertical picket handrails are symmetrical and can be installed on either the left or right side of the ramp/platform. Assemble vertical picket handrail to ramp/platform using 2.5 inch universal brackets, 3/8 inch 16 by 2.5 inch bolts, and 3/8 inch 16 serrated flange nuts. Top assembly shows a 3-inch universal bracket with 1/4 inch bolts for dual rail handrails, Liberty/Breeze. Bottom assembly shows the 2.5 inch universal brackets with the 2.5 inch bolts assembly for vertical picket handrails. Use a universal bracket assembly for the side closest to the off-going ramp. Use a switchback bracket on the other end, corner of platform. Tip: it may help to loosely assemble the vertical picket handrail to the switchback bracket, then slide entire assembly into the channel. Once the first inside corner vertical picket handrail is assembled to the platform channel, snug the serrated nuts but don't fully tighten to allow for adjustment after all handrails have been installed. We are ready to install the other inside vertical picket handrail to the tongue side of the platform. Here you see the universal bracket assembly used for the vertical picket handrail square post coming onto the platform. It is assembled using a 2.5 inch universal bracket and 2 3/8 inch 16 by 5 inch bolts. Install vertical picket handrail on the tongue side of the platform using the extended bolts from the ramp section vertical picket handrail coming into the platform and the switchback bracket installed in step 1. In the case of a switchback layout, install the vertical picket handrail onto the platforms using the extended bolts from the ramp section picket coming into the platform and the universal bracket assembly in the channel of the other platform. Mount vertical picket handrail to extended bolts. Mount other side of vertical picket handrail to the switchback bracket using 1 3/8 inch 16 by 2.5 inch bolt on the bottom slot only. Once the vertical picket handrail is positioned, tighten the serrated nuts holding the oncoming ramp with a 9/16 inch open-end wrench. Install another set of serrated nuts to the 5-inch bolts to attach the vertical picket handrail. After all handrails have been installed and tightened, insert round plug caps to ends of all handrails. Fasten all handrails together using through bolts for straight connections or corner support brackets for corner connections. Connect straight connections using through bolts, washers, and acorn nuts. For ramp to ramp or ramp to platform, use a 1/4 inch 20 by 4.5 inch bolt. For a platform to ramp connection, use a 1/4 inch -20 by 5 inch bolt. Connect all corners using the corner support bracket. Make sure the handrails are plumb. Line the corner support bracket with the top rail and fasten using two 1/4 inch -14 by 1 inch drilling screws. Install two 1/4 inch -14 by 1 inch pan head drilling screws to secure the switchback bracket to the platform. Once all straight corner picket connects have been made and the switchback bracket is secured to platform, fully tighten all leg and handrail nuts. Inspect entire installation by walking and jumping on each ramp section/platform to be sure it is secure. Run your hands along the handrails, double checking for any sharp edges. Review with the homeowner how to care and maintain the ramp.